my experience throughout the process is very smooth, especially the assistance coming from Jo. They assist me all the way until I get my visa. Now I get my visa. Thank you very much for yes this one. So thank you very much, Dio, for assisting me, and especially to Ma'am Tricia. Yes, yes. More those Filipinos who would like to apply at JO, kindly approach Miss Tricia. She is very accommodating, and she helped me a lot all through the process until I get my visa. And thank you very much, Jo. And I ge- I almost got my dream come true to go to Europe. Thank you very